To successfully assign prep messages to a product, please ensure that all the prep options are first created as products within Unity Enterprise. You can view our video on creating preparation messages for assistance on this. For the purposes of this video, we will use coffee as an example, and we will assign the milk temperature options: hot milk, cold milk, and no milk. We will now do the following steps. Step 1. On the Springboard menu, click on Products. Click on Manage Products. Create or search for the item that needs a prep message. Step 2. Click on the pen icon to edit. Step 3. Now click on POS Config. Step 4. Navigate to the right-hand side of the screen. Here you will find the Preparation Messages section. Click on the plus icon. Click on Select and type the required prep name. Click on the name. Click on the number calls. And type in 1. You can link more than one prep message to a product, and the number of calls can be changed to how many times the prep message should appear. For our last and final step, we will click the tick icon to save your changes. You have now successfully assigned prep messages to products on Unity Enterprise.